Yo guys, welcome back to another episode of Day in the Life, or POV. You're an offer publisher at 22 years old. And today I just wanted to record a quick video. I'm actually at a coffee shop working, but I just had a thought come to mind that I wanted to share with you all today. And it's just a personal belief and opinion of mine that some of you guys may not agree with, but I'm hoping I can help shift your perspective just a little bit, because it's really important. I think it's really going to change the trajectory of a lot of your guys' careers if you are looking to make money online with your own offers or as a service provider. So here's my hot take, and it's really on why I wouldn't want to be or try to be a copywriter going into 2025. And one of the biggest reasons why I wouldn't do it, knowing what I now know, is because I can actually make more money off one publishing partner than I could with 10 copywriting clients. Here's why. Doing copy, doing an agency, any kind of service where you're selling like a freelancer, where it's a retainer, or sometimes it's a one-time payment, you are really capped by your time. And so I remember when I was building up my copy agency, I started an agency called Two Comical Copy back in the day. And my first partner and client at the time was Dan Henry. And when I was writing copy for him, I was limited on my time. And I remember I went and I wanted another client, so I go sign another client, but then I'm trying to write copy for two people, and then the quality of my work, of course, started to drop, and I'm like, well, I want to make more money, so let me get 3, 4, 5, and I was scaling things up. But as I scaled things up, I got more busy, I was more exhausted, and I was not living like this this lifestyle that the gurus promised me, where I'd be on a beach and, you just write a couple emails and you're good to go. It's like, yeah, I could write a couple emails and I'd be good to go if I only wanted one client, only wanted to make like $1,000, $2,000 a month, which I know some of you guys are doing, and that's fine. Some people are okay with that, but for me, I wanted to do more. I wanted to be making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000. I didn't want to be stuck just making a couple thousand. And so that's what really made me start to doubt the process. Like there's got to be another way. And then that's when I got introduced to the idea of being an offer publisher, where I could go to a creator and come up with an offer that they can launch, use my same copywriting skills to launch it to their audience, and then get a performance fee over 50% of that offer, which allowed me to make way more money than I did just doing client work. And it's funny, I remember like getting paid $1,000, $2,000 to do a launch for my clients that would make them hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I would just sit there and be like, holy crap, like they got the better end of the deal. And so I'm so happy that I finally switched and was like, you know what? I have the skill sets to make that kind of money. Like I do for my clients. Why not just go to someone, do a performance deal, do the same thing with my same skill sets, and make more money? And after doing that, I haven't gone back. I'm not solely based on just retainer or client. I'm only partnering with creators and celebrities. And it's so nice because now I can just write a couple emails a day, for my one publishing partner I have, and we're good to go. I can just write a little bit of my Google Doc and we're set. And I'm not, stuck in my laptop all day. But I remember when I was that copywriter, when I was solely based on retainer and one-time payments, it was the opposite of what people promised me. And so that's a big reason why. Now, the second reason why I wouldn't be a copywriter going into 2024, 2025 is because of AI. I mean, guys, AI is amazing, and so many companies are letting go of the copywriters because the AI they have is writing just as good copy or better and a lot faster. They're not having to sit around and wait, I gotta write this out, I'll send it over. It's like, it's instant. So it's like, if I were, I'm not trying to build my skill set in copy or try to become an amazing copywriter, because it's not a future-proof job. It's just not. It's not. And so I'm like, you know what? I want a skill set that is future-proof. And with publishing, it is, because it's not just info. Like, I was talking to my chiropractor, and we might publish him and do an offer for him online. I was talking to, there's so many creators. I was on this site that we have, and we found that actually helps us find creators to partner with, which we'll be releasing soon on a program I'm working on. But there's thousands and thousands of creators with audiences who don't have products that you can just partner with and launch with. And so the career of being an offer publisher, it's not going away. Like, the industry can change, AI can come and go, but the skill sets of assembling an offer for somebody and launching it and getting a cut of it, it's never gonna go away. It may look a little different how you do it and the products you're launching, but it's not leaving anytime soon. And so that's the second reason why. And the third reason why is it's a lot easier to be like doing organic launches to warm audiences and trying to scale the client up or my own offer up with cold traffic by myself with paid ads. Because when you're a publisher, you go to someone who already has an audience. You don't have to build your own audience. You don't have to buy an audience. You don't have to be an amazing copywriter that writes ads for cold traffic. They already have an audience that knows, likes, and trusts them. So within 15-ish days of signing that partner, you can just, launch an offer, boom, it's selling, you're making cash, and you're good to go. And so there's not this pressure of dealing with Facebook ads and all of that stuff, which eventually you would do with your partner. You could take in the cold traffic, but at least you would have those organic sales to kind of cover you and cover the expenses and make things better. So that's the third reason why. And I'll be writing a more detailed post talking about this, but I really just wanted to get this out there because I made a post on Facebook the other day where I was like, I stopped trying to be a copywriter, because I realized this, and people were like, what? And they're really interested. And a lot of copywriters are like, man, I want that. And so I hope this just open your eyes to what's possible and really just expands your vision so that you don't have to be stuck in this box of just being a copywriter. There's other ways to stack skill sets on top of what you have now, and a way to make way more money and actually live that lifestyle where you can write a couple emails and be good to go. Like, there is a way to do it, but I promise you it's not going to happen if you're stuck on retainers or one-time payments. You're not a copywriter at that point. You're just a freelancer, and freelancers can be replaced. So anyways, that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to get back to work, working on my publishing clients, working on a launch coming up here. So I'll see you guys next week, and comment below if you have any questions.